Thank God for Don Petersen.
Petersen Performance, giving us the best of breaks for this Indian, this Razor Indian. Thank God for 608 Motorsports.
Petersen Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian in the Midwest, built not bought. 16,000 watts, and the sound of block is smoked out. Blessed by God, this Razor Indian.
Baddest Indian in the Midwest, it's built not bought. Got that 16,000 watts, my system is known to thump. RPM brakes, if we stopping on the dot. Got a handful of 608 Motorsports up in the trunk. Man, this build is just insane. It's like, what else do I want? That custom build, that custom paint, that custom kit, I'm so amazed. The Razor Indian is known to leave them in the days. And the next day they tell me it's just stuck up in their brain. Man, it's crazy.
Petersen Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian in the Midwest, built not bought. 16,000 watts, and the sound of block is smoked out. Blessed by God, this Razor Indian.
Blessed by God, thank you, Don Petersen Performance. Know I need to give you props, that's why I had to drop a song to show my gratitude. It's all love. Just know that I appreciate you. Thank you for the build. Know that it was built not by. Sound is 16,000 watts. Custom built this Razor
Petersen Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian in the Midwest, built not bought. 16,000 watts, and the sound of block is smoked out. Blessed by God, this Razor Indian.
Oh, we just gonna need to make a sauce.
Be like that they
608, we built different. Custom Razor bikes, you know we stay drippin'. SS 500, big tired edition. Skinny up front, fat in the back, no kidding. Hey, you know we breaking backs. Fucking with my squad, you know you outgunned. Pushing 18,000 watts, get ready to get knocked. Riding with my fam, you don't stand a chance. 68 building mad bikes, you know we got the hype. 68 Motorsports, we don't build no crap. You shit talking why you still using ratchet straps. Built, not bought. Built, not bought. Built, not bought. Built, not bought.
There's the difference in the pit bike brakes. So 18.3, and about how wide are they? And they're about 56.3. These are a little shorter, but it's not necessarily the length of the pad, because we're getting more surface area this way on the rotor. This way you're only touching that much rotor.
Right.
You're not touching this much rotor. I mean, you are technically, but you're only going to heat up that much of the rotor versus your... Actually, I could show you in a different one. That other rotor I got. You're only going to, even if you went to a bigger rotor, you're only touching that much of the rotor. So you're only going to heat up this little area of the rotor. So that's why bigger rotor, more heat dissipation, and you're going to get more of the rotor this way.
Absolutely, yeah.
Instead of just this little bitty tiny bit up here. So this bigger rotor, more surface area here. It's gonna dissipate heat better. Plus, RPMs, you're getting 4 pistons, 425 millimeter pistons. So you're getting 100 millimeters worth of clamping force coming from both directions. So instead of just 2 where you're only pressing on one, technically it's clamping instead of, I mean, it's a clamp, still technically it's still a clamp, but you could just see right there how much more pad you're getting on the rotor.
Wow.
And more meat here. You could just see the difference between here and here is different even.
Oh yeah.
See the difference there?
Oh yeah.
That's why I go with the two. I like the 220 rotors. You can't put 220s on 10-inch wheels though, so which is unfortunate. But I run a 200. I do a 200 on the 10-inch.
Okay.
And you still get it's the same amount of meat here.
Right. So like an RSF, you can still do. Okay.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
The
right
wheels
here.
there.
Yep, right there.
You can
That's
see that
RSF
right
wheels with the 200 millimeter rotor.
And AJ's got a bike just like that with those wheels, another Indian, and we're probably gonna upgrade those now too.
Beautiful. So, Want to lay it down? Thick boy. It's a thick boy. It's a thick ass boy. Shot dog.
New gear, new suspension on a custom Indian. Gold forks, gold chain, don't even mention it. With the D&M shock, yeah, we only do premium. Midwest minimize, big lead aluminum. New gear, new suspension on a custom Indian. Gold forks, gold chain, don't even mention it. With the D&M shock, yeah, we only do premium. Midwest minimize, big lead aluminum.
Ay, 15,000 watts. Midwest mini mods. 608 motorsports. But not bought. Hey, I'm sliding down the block on a mini bike. Midwest mini mod, bitch, get it right. Bill not bought, and I'm getting high. You ain't fucking with the mods and you finna die. 15,000 watts in my fucking trunk. I got these people asking, damn, I should do it, bruh. Got the bars in the back, got the big subs. Mids highs, everything, that's a big dub. Hey, and you know it's all thanks to God. You see this custom Indian, it's looking hot. They asking who did it, bitch. 608 motorsports, you know how we do it. Everything I do, bitch, I really put my heart in it. I've been praying to God, but I know I've been a sinner. But I know he hear me out when I'm sliding on my mini. Bill not bought, and we ain't fucking with beginners. 15,000 watts, 608 motorsports. They say the mods don't matter, but I'm really hitting hard. The system got the trunk shaking like it had a seizure. If you don't know about the mods, I'ma have to teach you. You ain't fucking with the mods and you might die. This one got the trunk jumping like a skydive. And we really do it, dog. We don't have to lie, Bill not bought. Midwest mini mods. Midwest mini mods. 15,000 watts. Bill not bought. Thank God. Custom Indian looking hot. 608 motorsports. Midwest mini mods.
That's oh, dude. Can you take it out of that block? You take this out of that block off, put it on one of these, and then put that back on. Use that as your
Yeah, no. So this goes first.
Yep.
Thank God for Don Petersen.
Petersen Performance. Giving us the best of breaks for this Indian. This Razor Indian. Thank God for 608 Motorsports.
Petersen Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian in the Midwest, built not bought. 16,000 watts in the sound of block, it smoked out. Blessed by God, this Razor Indian.
Baddest Indian in the Midwest, it's built not bought. Got that 16,000 watts, my system is known to thump. RPM brakes, if we stopping on the dot. Got a handful of 608 motorsports up in the trunk. Man, this build is just insane. It's like, what else do I want? That custom build, that custom paint, that custom kit, I'm so amazed. The Razor Indian is known to leave them in the days. And the next day they tell me it's just stuck up in their brain. Man, it's crazy.
Petersen Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian in the Midwest, built not bought. 16,000 watts in the sound of block, it smoked out. Blessed by God, this Razor Indian.
Blessed by God, thank you, Don Petersen Performance, know I need to give you props. That's why I had to drop a song to show my gratitude. It's all up, just know that I appreciate you. Thank you for the build. Know that it was built not by. Sounded 16,000 watts. Custom built this Razor
Petersen
Indian.
Performance, they be keeping it stopping hot. Baddest Indian